Hey guys, here we are. We're done with the office finally. I want to take you through it. I want to show it to you. It turned out the way that we hoped it would. I think you're going to be comfortable in here. I think you're going to feel safe and at home, and we're going to be able to make your visits really great. We're so excited that it's done, so come with me. Let me show you around. This is our first week open. We've just been open a few days. Still getting the kinks worked out, but excited to kind of show you the finished product, or the close to finished product. When you walk in, here's the waiting room. Check in, you're here with Becky. Come through here if you happen to have your kids with you. Got a kid station for them to explore here. Got some surprises there that they can dig into. Coffee bar, water. Eleanor did a killer job of bringing the decorations together and making it feel like home. We don't want it to feel like a dental office. We want it to feel residential and comfortable, and I hope you feel that when you walk in. We want you to. Let's walk back through to the clinical area. We've made some changes since the last video. We got rid of the concrete floors and brought in some real ones against my recommendations. And this is going to be the checkout area. So once you come through these doors, you're kind of done with the lobby. You'll come back here for treatment, and then you'll check out here. And if you've been good, there might even be a sticker involved for you. Can't guarantee that. But let's explore this clinical area quickly back through here. A few differences from last time. None of this was here. Radiographs are gonna be easy and more seamless for us than they used to be. Excited to show you that. A lot of that lives here. The changes to the operatories. Man, last time, it was probably drywall when I was looking out the window, and it's been fun to bring it all together. We've got a lot of things that are gonna make you comfortable in here. We've got the same TVs and patient education that we can do, and a lot of other things that I think is gonna make your experience feel like you're at home here. So excited to bring this together. A lot of changes from last time. As we come back through here, you know, a part of this for us that helps us produce a great product for you is the back office stuff for us. We can work so much more efficiently, have the best techniques for cleaning the things that we use for you guys, making sure that it's the highest quality that it can be. And a space like this back through here is what lets us provide that for you and know that what we're doing for you is the highest standards. That makes us feel good. And that's another thing that I would want as a patient and would make me feel comfortable knowing that that's going on here. Well, this space is gonna let us do that, and already letting us do this. This is our 4th day of being open, and we've already enjoyed the efficiency and that this room has given us. That kind of concludes the tour, I think. Can't wait to give it to you in person, but this is back office stuff for the staff that you probably won't see, but lets us have meetings do those kind of things back here. But excited to get you in here and show it to you in person, all the little things that I couldn't mention in the video. And I appreciate you being patient.